in talking too much about, well, it's all about cultural change, right? And that, you know, you really do need to change your culture dramatically to make some of these basic principles of sort of waste elimination, total quality, and employee engagement to work. And that certainly is the case, but you don't change culture overnight. You possibly don't even change it over decades or even generations, right? And so I think we spent far too much time being held back by feelings of needing to change our culture rather than actually adapting the basic principles to the West. And if we'd have spent more time doing that, where frankly we're very good at technology, we're very good at coming up with good ideas to enable, to enhance our workforce. And if we'd have spent more time on that, I think we'd have made much more progress. I've seen so many programs get stymied and stop partway through. And yet if we focused on the fact that we're very good at our sort of tops-down type of control within the Western world. We're very good at being financially driven. But the difficulty we've had before is so many resources to deploy in an organization. How do you prioritize those unless you can actually translate the language of the shop floor through the language of the engineers to the language of the financial people? It makes it very difficult to prioritize your improvement activity.